In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack URL. If you're rebranding your publication or just want a cleaner web address, changing your Substack subdomain is quick and straightforward. Your subdomain is the part before substack.com, like example.substack.com, and it's what readers see and share. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to your Substack account so you can access your publication settings. First, head to substack.com and open your publication. On the left side of the screen, find the settings option in the sidebar and click it. This is where Substack keeps all the controls for your publication's identity, design, and advanced options. Next, scroll all the way down the settings page until you see a section labeled Danger Zone. Don't worry, this just means the actions here can significantly affect your publication, so Substack groups them together and adds extra confirmations. Inside the Danger Zone, look for an option that says Change Publication Subdomain. This is the setting that controls your URL. Click Change Subdomain to begin. Substack will display a prompt to make sure you intend to proceed. Since updating your address can impact how readers find you, go ahead and click OK to confirm. You'll now see a field that asks, what would you like your new subdomain to be? Type the new subdomain you want to use. Keep it short, memorable, and aligned with your publication's name or topic. Use lowercase letters and, if needed, hyphens instead of spaces. The subdomain must be unique across Substack, so if the one you choose is already taken, you'll need to try a variation. Think about future-proofing as well. Choose something you'll be comfortable keeping long-term. Once you've entered your new subdomain, click OK to save the change. Substack will apply the update, and your publication's address will switch to the new URL. It may take a moment to propagate across the site. After this change, your new link will be the one to share in your newsletter header, social profiles, and any place you promote your work. A quick note before we wrap up. Changing your subdomain can affect links you've shared previously. Plan to update your website, social bios, and any automated tools or bookmarks you use. It's also a good idea to let your readers know about the new address so they can find you without interruption. That's it, your Substack URL is now updated. Thanks for following along and happy publishing.